hazards include ping pong ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elk Mountain around 5:15 p.m. Altoona and Lake Holly around 5:45 p.m. Chippewa Falls around 5:55 p.m. Eau Claire around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Seymour, Tilden, Hoffman Hills Rec Area, and Eau Claire Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern St. Croix County, southeastern Polk County, and northwestern Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Somerset, or 20 miles north of River Falls, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Richmond around 5:25 p.m. Star Prairie around 5:30 p.m. Clear Lake around 5:55 p.m. Clayton around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Forest, Emerald, Boardman, Deer Park, East Farmington, Huntington, and Sidelong. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is Weather Radio.